I know I don't usually do voiceover during the title slide, but settle in. This is going to come across as a bit of a commercial, and I guess it is, but I always appreciate your support, and I thought you guys would enjoy this. All right, everybody. I have been waiting for this for weeks, and I'm so excited. So, I like to share with you a package when it arrives at the house, and this one is extra special. So as you may have heard in some of my other videos, I had to have surgery on my Achilles tendon, and I've been out of the glass studio for a while. And when that happens, the creativity starts up, and I've had an idea for well over a year and just haven't had the time to sit and execute it, and now I did. And so I am so excited to share this unboxing with you, or maybe unbagging, as is the case here. Let me share with you what I have. Apparel. And you're like, wait a minute, how is this glass related? I have designed 10 different shirts and other apparel that's available through Amazon, and it is under the brand name Jamaison on Amazon. It is in my Amazon store, and these are some of the very first samples, so I am so excited to share these. Now, there are 10 designs. I've only ordered 3 here, but let me show you what I've got, and then I can't wait to talk about it more. Check that out, my glass friends. You get it? Hopefully you get it. Don't you love it? Very simple font design there, and I think that is awesome. That one makes me smile. You might be able to hear the smile in my voice. Here is the next one. Let me unfold this. A little salty, but I know you have a sense of humor. WTF, work that frit. These shirts are available in a variety of colors: men's fit, women's fit. There are V-necks. Now there are hoodies and sweatshirts, and raglan shirt, which is like a baseball shirt. And so in a whole ton of colors. Let me share the next one here. Frit happens. Isn't that fun? I loved this bright green. It reminds me of spring green from Bullseye. Got the outline here. I decided to do this one on a navy blue shirt, but again, a variety of colors. And there are so many more designs. So I am so excited about this. These are in Amazon. They are manufactured by Amazon. It is fulfilled by Amazon. And if you get it and it doesn't fit right, or you don't like the color or something, you return it to Amazon. So I have designed these, and I have created an Amazon merchant account, and you can now order these. The 10 designs are available in the United States first. There are just a few that are available in the UK, and I'm adding more as we go. So the thing about Amazon is that when you are initially an original or a first-time seller, they kind of put you on a lower tier, and you're only allowed so many designs and so many marketplaces. And then the more shirts you sell, or the more merchandise you sell, then the more it opens it up for you to sell in other countries, on other countries, basically, on other Amazon platforms, and allows you to introduce more designs. So I've got 10 for the US right now. I've got 20 more in my head, and I'm just having fun with this. And so, yes, as an Amazon merchant, I get a small commission off of each sale. Let me show you on Amazon how this works. Okay, let's go shopping, shall we? So if you go to my linktree/Jamaison, here you will find all of my favorite links, including the link to my Amazon store. And so when you click on that, it's going to open up my main page for the Amazon store, and I have some sections here: apparel and other merchandise, tools for the glass artists, how to build out your studio, and then things for your art show. So just make sure that you are looking at the right list, but let's go ahead and open up the apparel. And so this is going to take you to my Amazon store and the collection of apparel. Let's just start looking. So this first shirt, first design, scoring it, breaking it, killing it. And this is the raglan shirt, available in men's, women's, different colors, and so lots to pick from here. Let's go back out and look at the next design. This one is this one's a fun one. Let me pick one here to show you. This is the hoodie version. Keep calm and glass on, and it's got little glass cutters on there. I just thought this was fun. So all of these designs are available in different forms, if you will: long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, tank tops. Let's take a look at the tank top. So here you've got men's cut. There's also women's cut, a variety of different colors. And so lots to choose from. So, take a look at the designs and decide, what do you like in terms of the color options, and each design on different colors. But there's lots of options in here. And again, these are all made and fulfilled by Amazon. Here's the one that you also saw on the video just now, WTF. This one is in the form of the hoodie. And there are a couple of different colors of the hoodie. So I'm subject to whatever Amazon offers. So there's not maybe every color that you might want, because this is really limited to the Amazon catalog. All right, you also saw the Frit Happen shirt, but let's take a look at that. Let's look at the V-neck. So here's a V-neck. There's that Frit Happens design, and then again, a variety of different colors. So you can kind of click through and decide what color works for you, and then choose accordingly. All right, scrolling on, there are more designs. Here's one. This one was fun. Nip it good. So these are not just necessarily for fusing artists. Mosaic artists might like this. Some of these other shirts would work for blown glass, stained glass, and so some options to pick from. I've got too many tabs open here. Here's another one, Dichro Queen, and check out the word Dichro. So I made it with 3 colors and kind of a shadow effect to kind of give you that sense of what Dichro does. And again, lots of different colors here, different fits, men's fit, women's fit. But I thought that this was fun, and I know that there are lots of you Dichro queens out there. All right, moving on. Well, okay, I got too many tabs open, so I've got to, let me close a few of these here. Okay, back to the designs. Here's the next one up in the list. I just thought this was fun. Just like Rosie the Riveter, glass artist, we can cut it. And I just kind of liked this Rosie, today's Rosie, if you will. And again, lots of different colors here, and just fun. So hopefully you can appreciate the variety here that Amazon is offering. And again, right now I'm looking at the US site. There are some designs coming in the UK, and more to come across designs and other regions as well. You're killing me, Smalls. If you're familiar with the movie The Sandlot, then this might strike you as funny. It's kind of a play on a caption from that movie. Here's another one, Crushing It. So lots of different colors of broken up glass there. And so again, that could be something that a mosaic artist might appreciate, or blown glass. And so lots of color options. And again, you can kind of pick what kind of shirt color it might look good on. Here's a green. Not all of them have green available, but I just thought that was kind of fun. So if that's your color, there's an option for you. And that's it. So those are the designs. So lots of options now. I showed you again how to get to it from my Amazon store, but here's another way to do it. Just go directly to Amazon. Well, if I could type, Amazon.com, and just search my name, Jamaison. Got to make sure you spell it correctly, but it'll bring up some of the shirts. And then if you click on one of them and open it up, see the brand name, Jamaison. So you can just click on that. And, well, if I can get this to click correctly here, if you click on that brand Jamaison, then it's going to open up all of the options again. The different styles, regular sweatshirt, hoodie sweatshirt, long sleeve, short sleeve, tank top, all the different options there that way as well. So that's another way to find it, just going to Amazon directly. But if you haven't taken a look at my Linktree, again, Linktree/Jamaison, there's lots of great content in here. I'm often referencing different suppliers or different ideas, different things that you can check out. And so that Linktree is a nice collection of all of them. Back to my Amazon shop, again, there are different collections here. So make sure you kind of browse around. But the tools for the glass artist in the middle is the one where most of the things that I feature on my different videos are, and they're just in chronological order, basically, from when I added them. But feel free to take a spin through there if you haven't checked that out as well. And of course, once again, anything that you buy from my Amazon store, I do get a small commission, which supports my free videos. No subscriptions here. These are all free. Thanks, everybody. Hope you loved them. Bye-bye.